America's Towing. She's gotta get a tow again. My mom right there, my sister. What's up, man? How you doing? Good, good. It's not started.
So that works, or?
No, we just rolled the window up with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'll give you my ID. I was telling you, you gotta get a test this alternator problem.
Can I see the key?
It's already in there. Fuel related. Oh, fuel pump. Yeah, we about to get some. About to get a AAA tow, no cap. You want to come on the vlog? What are you? Right. I don't even know who this is. Who's that? Who's that?
I'm the person that's in the other videos.
They don't remember you. You was way out. You was way out here when they see you.
No.
Nah, you nah. That's what you supposed to say.
I'm his sister.
Yo, why you didn't funny? Why you didn't say the last part? What Mama said. Mama said, say it. Go.
I'm
7 likes.
I'm his sister, F-U-C-K.
Ah. Nah, you good though, Lil. Good job, good job. You didn't want to say it. My Ultima been sitting right here for like at least a week. All right, got you. You want to vlog it, Olivia?
This is me, and I'm vlogging, watching my brother and my mother. Vlog, pushing a car.
That's what I'm right here helping my son today.
Well,
I'm his fine ass mama, Miss L.
Y'all know who Mama is. Mama! Bruh. Mama, you gonna get all of us. You gonna get some male subscribers after doing that. Some male followers. You can't be doing that on camera. No cap. But yeah, y'all. So what I was saying, I don't even think I updated y'all, bruh. But yeah, bruh, my car been sitting right here for at least like a week. And before I had like starter issues. And I showed y'all too when I got that fixed. It's a lot of new stuff that need to like get replaced. So yeah, once I start replacing stuff, I'm gonna show y'all that. So stay tuned, y'all don't want to miss it. Yeah, y'all. So shout out to my mom though. What it is, me and my mom, we was saying it was the alternator. I was saying it might be a crankshaft sensor, or the speed sensor, or like you said, the fuel pump, something. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just trying to figure out what it is, man, with it right now.
That's the video that's the part they're gonna show on YouTube?
Huh?
That's the part you're gonna show on YouTube?
Yeah. I already posted like me like, you know, taking delivery of it, like, oh yeah, this is my Nissan, I just got it. I took it like to a car show before, because I could see the front bumper, bro. Like as soon as I got it, bro, it was like a week having it, bro. I freaking crashed, bro. And then it was like no bumper in the front, so it kind of like looked like a speed, like a race car. And then I have this aftermarket intake that like gives it a little bit more like power, a little bit, you know, like it's fast, bro, a little bit for a V4, you know. But it can, I want to like do more tunes, more mods to it, or whatever it may be, bro. I was even thinking like swapping the engine, bro. Yeah, I took it to a meet, bro, and people was like on that shit. I was like, that's crazy, bro. But I was just like telling my mom and stuff, just imagine if I really do a build to it and like, you know, just really just build it, bro, you know.
Well, if you want to do it all depends if you're down to do it, bro.
Right. And do it for YouTube too, like for the content, like, you know. That's crazy. They only like 15, going crazy. I be going to Irwindale too. I was just there like
Thursdays they have
July 9th. They had like something going down there. But what do they have Thursdays?
They got the little burnout pit
Uh-huh.
and the drag strip.
Oh yeah. I thought you meant like they be having like some crazy event going on or something.
No, it's just that.
Nah, but yeah, I've been there. It's like my third time going there. It's just driving, bro. Like,
Yeah, it's a drive.
yeah, it's a drive. So that's why the more I, just keep my car maintained, bro, I can be just grinding, getting there, bro, in the content. You know what I'm saying? And that's what I've been on this whole year, bro. Like,
They have the homies like, hey, bro. Like,
man, for real. Let's slide, bro. Nah, the homie, he just got a Durango, the old one though, and that shit, bro, we been going crazy in that shit, bro. Like blessing blocks and shit, bro. That shit been crazy. Mad fun, bro. Like,
to make it look and sound good.
yeah, that's it. Yeah. For real. I said you run across people for a reason, bro. Cause I literally like that really was like my dream thing, just to get a truck, bro, like a flatbed, bro, and like you single cab, bro. And when I was in Vegas, bro, I was looking into it, but I never had the funds, bro, to just be like, all right, I can get one. But I went to go look at a F-150, bro. Had a big ass bed. That shit's trash. I said, nah, bro. Chevy, bro, for sure, bro. Like a Silverado or some shit.
Or Sierra, bro. Same
Sierra.
shit. They're the same shit.
Yeah, bro. Nah,
Anything GM, bro.
for sure.
They're easy to fix.
Yo, this dude is lit, man. Nah,
You're
for
gonna be
real.
the only black guy here in fucking South Central with the truck.
Yo,
I mean, there is just one black guy. He has an F-150. I don't know if you've seen him.
Nah, fuck no.
Yeah, he be out here swinging this shit too.
That's
It's a
crazy.
F-150, single cab with the short bed.
That's crazy.
I haven't seen one in like all fixed up and
Nah.
it's, it's out here it's a Bison thing. You
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the Mexicans driving that shit, but bro, you can switch it up, bro.
Nah.
Change the game.
Yo, this dude is authentic, bro.
I'll be tight, bro. You pull up in the truck, I'll be like, oh shit,
Nah, for
hey,
real.
that's what's up, bro.
Nah, for real,
Everybody's
bro.
gonna be giving you props.
That is crazy, dude.
Show up a real one, bro. Show up
Nah,
a
for real,
one.
bro.
Having dreams to fucking, have
Nah.
that shit fucking real fast, but hey, sometimes reality.
Respect, bro. I like the authentic, however you say that shit, bro. You a real one, bro, for real.
Everybody
bro.
wish they could have like 5-6 cars all fixed up.
Man,
and
nah,
be
for
like,
real.
which one I want to drive today?
real.
Hey, sometimes life ain't like that, bro.
Man, you gotta humble
it-
yourself.
Yeah, you gotta humble yourself. I mean, sooner or later it's gonna happen.
Man.
Shit, I wanted to get a truck, and it took me a little while. Hey, and I got me a truck, bro.
Nah, for real.
Now, to build the motor and everything's gonna take me a while too. But it's all good, bro. It's all good. I ain't tripping.
It's gonna happen through time, man. It's kind of freaking hard to record, bro, and like, talk to at the same time. Cause it's like, at the moment, everything is genuine, bro. And you never know what you're getting out of it, so that's why I be like saying sorry to my viewers, but it's like, forget y'all, bro. I'm like enjoying the moment. It's retarded, like, bro. That's crazy.